Hey, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel, Mathematics of Today's Generation. Okay, if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakihit na rin sa notification bell para updated kayo sa mga panibagong videos na i-upload ko. Okay, so by the way, if you are a mathematics contestant, okay, a math coach, or a mathematics enthusiast, then this tutorial is for you. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. So we are now on problem number 14, okay, exponential problem number 1. Okay, this problem is taken from the previous Philippine Mathematical Olympiad, okay, and we're going to solve this in a very easy and systematic manner. So, if the equation 4 plus 12 times 4 to the x is equal to 16 times 16 to the x, then what is the value of 2 raised to 2x plus 4 minus 2 raised to 2x? Okay, so there are so many ways to solve this problem, but okay, I will solve this problem okay, in this manner. So, for a solution, okay, we have 4 plus 12 times 4 to the x is equal to 16 times 16 to the x. Okay, take note that 16 to the x can be written as 16 times 4 raised to x quantity squared. Okay, then we're going to copy the right-hand side expression. So we have 4 plus 12 times 4 to the x. Then after this, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 4. So we now have 4 plus 12 times 4 to the x divided by 4 is equal to 16 times 4 to the x quantity squared divided by 4. Then 4 divided by 4, so we have 1 plus 12 divided by 4, so we have 3 times 4 to the x is equal to 16 divided by 4, so we have 4 times 4 to the x quantity squared. Then, by applying subtraction property of equality, so we're going to place these expressions to the right-hand side of the equation. So this follows that we have 0 is equal to 4 times 4 to the x quantity squared minus 3 times 4 to the x minus 1. Then by symmetric property of equality, so we now have 4 times 4 to the x quantity squared minus 3 times 4 to the x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then this expression can be factored out as 4 times 4 to the x plus 1 times 4 to the x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, we're going to apply the zero product property. So we now have by zero product property, we now have 4 times 4 to the x plus 1 is equal to 0. And the other one would be 4 to the x minus 1 is equal to 0. But take note, 4 to the x is always greater than 0 for any x elements of real numbers. So, we can say that 4 times 4 to the x plus 1 is greater than 1 for any x elements of real numbers. So therefore, this equation must be discarded. Because this is a false equation. Now, we're going to consider only this equation. So by applying addition property of equality, this follows that we have 4 to the x is equal to 1. And take note, 4 to the x can be written as 2 squared quantity raised to x is equal to 1. Then 2 times x, we have 2 raised to 2x is equal to 1. So we now have the expression 2 raised to 2x, which is equal to 1. Okay, from here, we're going to manipulate this equation to arrive this expression. Okay, so take note, Okay. Note that 2 raised to 2x plus 4 is equal to 2 raised to 2x times 2 raised to 4. Okay? So it means we are going to multiply both sides of this equation by 2 raised to 4. So it follows that we have 2 raised to 2x times 2 raised to 4 is equal to 1 times 2 raised to 4. Then this one is equal to 2 raised to 2x plus 4. So we now have 2 raised to 2x plus 4 is equal to, 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. Then 16 times 1, we have 16. So we now have this expression. So finally, by substituting the values of the given expression, so we have 2 raised to 2x plus 4 minus 2 raised to 2x is equal to, so this is equal to 16, so we have 16 minus, this is equal to 1, we have 1 here, then 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. So therefore, the value of this expression is equal to 15. And I think it's a good place to stop.